Hello and welcome to GoVideoMaker Store. To check or buy our amazing custom videos for any type of business, just visit our online shop at bit.ly/GoVideoMaker Then you can scroll down and choose what video template you want to buy and use for your business. Next is to preview the video. Then if you already satisfied with the template, just click on green buy button. Next step is to enter your name, email address where to send your video and also your logo or other images you want to add, and note or relevant info to help create the video. Then enter the coupon code to get the discount and click on PayPal. Then you will see the new discounted price. For payment we use PayPal. You can also use credit or debit card. Don't worry, our payment method is secure and safe. If you don't have any PayPal or debit card for the payment, kindly message us on our page and tell us your order, and you can pay using other payment method like Gcash or Bitcoin. Thank you and more success to your business from GoVideoMaker.
Don't forget to share.